Emily B here, your resident home baker, experimenting with new recipes and trying out new things. And today I am sharing with you the decorating of my Rainbow Swirl cookies. So I will do a video of doing the dough itself with the recipe. I just made the dough and didn't think about doing a video until now. But I thought what I would do is show you how I decorate it, because I am not a fancy decorator. I am definitely your typical home baker who likes to make things for fun and don't need them to be perfect. Or maybe I'm just not able to make them perfect. I don't know. I'm not gonna say. But what I like to share is you can make something that's really fun and beautiful and brings a smile to people's faces, and it doesn't have to be super elaborate or absolutely perfect in every way. So what does that mean for me? I use a lot of sprinkles. And people love sprinkles. Even some of the most curmudgeon-y people will typically get a little bit of a smile when you hand them something that has sprinkles, even if they're not a sprinkle person. So today, again, my Rainbow Swirl cookies, and these are just actually a basic sugar cookie recipe. And then I split up the dough and dyed with some gel food coloring, all the colors that I wanted, and then kind of sandwiched them together, rolled them up, froze them for a bit, and then just cut and baked. They aren't honestly quite as perfect. That's not the right word. They're not exactly how I wanted them to be. The colored dough in some spots did not blend together exactly the way they normally do. That was my fault in terms of how I rolled it out and then rolled it together. But part of what my decorating is going to do is maybe cover up some of the flaws that I really don't like, or really would rather not be seen. And so today I'm going to melt some white chocolate, and these cookies will get dipped half in white chocolate, the half that I don't necessarily love, and then we're gonna put some sprinkles on it, and lo and behold, we're gonna have a pretty fun cookie that not everybody sees every day. All right, let's get started. Okay, I have just one left to dip, and then I'll be able to move on, I hope anyway. We'll see. So it takes a little bit of time, but I think it's well worth it, and I hope you do too. I think they come out pretty well. One of the things that I do, so I had sprayed with non-stick spray this rack, just to help the cookies not stick, and then periodically throughout I've been kind of just lifting them up and moving them around, so they don't get stuck and then break, because they can be a little bit on the delicate side. So I've just been periodically making sure that I do that, and then I do try to even out my sprinkles a little bit. So there's one, at least one bigger sprinkle that's kind of a focal point. This one, for my friend, I'm adding little unicorn sprinkles to each one too, just to make it a little bit more, a little bit more whimsical, because that is the style that she is going for. And here we are. Let's see if I can pick one that has a little balance of everything for you to see. So, ta-da! I know it's not much, but this is something that anyone can do. I do have super teeny tiny versions that I'm going to decorate as well. It's just, I think it's a great little extra thing you can do with your cookies, and it doesn't have to be rainbow cookies or swirl cookies, but any cookie. You just dip it in some chocolate and put some sprinkles on it, especially for kids' parties, that kind of thing. And then next on my to-do list today these are strawberry Pop-Tarts in the shape of rainbows. So I'm gonna get going on decorating these. I'll have each of the rainbow colors in the middle and then white for little clouds on the end. That might take me a little bit of time because of course I need all the rainbow colors of icing to use in separate piping bags. So yeah, wish me luck because of course